concept.
Yeah, we done press already. Push to start and we're ever ready. Catch a shift. Watch your road, man, head quick. Roll with my team, ain't no road swift. Donkey power, them have 300 restoring. Now worry about gas when the team touring. Coffee them gas pedal, yeah, we flooring. Switch it up, we set the road code in a sport mode. Press it out on the toll road, we not go slow.
Stand five, tell them say we not nice. Act right, when me a 16, them say for baptized. Know me have the rifle in hand, that me my backslide, that's right. And time, full them up a carbine. Mankind, go for a long time. Unkind, don't want star shine. That's fine, pressure bus pipeline. Cut off jeans with a socks and a bad shoes. With a white tees and a hat. See the chain for me Nicky, what 1,000 carat. Couple million on me and I mean a pre-boat.
Guys, welcome back to the vlog. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. So it is our last day at the Airbnb in Kingston. Sob. Because it's been very, very lovely. Birthday in a few days, so we are going to have some fun with her, basically celebrate her birthday, celebrate my girl. We're going to go to Duns River, we might do the rafting, and we're going to the beach and chill, probably Mahogany, because that's a really nice beach, and then most likely go out to eat like the evening. So it's going to be a nice day. It's going to be a really, 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 really nice day. So we're literally on our way Tochi now. Going off the highway, my cousin came to get us, going that way as well, which is great. So yeah, we are on our way now. Need so much my nail, guys. It looks atrocious. I need to go and fix this like ASAP. So see you guys very soon. There's like 3 people like, yeah, and Jackie's face is someone got in the boot. Jackie's like, what is going on? Which I'm that's it. Guys, so we are currently on our way down into Ocean Town to go to Duns River, which will be nice and cool. I feel like I'm not even know. We're trying to do it behind it. Not like a lot, but just a little bit. Can you see it? Hold on. Oh yeah. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a big bite or something. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So change of plan, we are at Blue Hole. We've come to Blue Hole, which is nice. I have come here before, but it's been a while. But when I came here I never vlogged, so it would be nice to get this on the vlog, you know? Guys, it's really hot, I'm not gonna lie. When they said Jamaica was hotter this year, this is what they meant.
Can you get your message from WhatsApp?
Mika and this one.
You know, get me car. Yeah, can straight if you can.
Yeah, Mika.
Call me straight. I'm in the mood.
Alright.
Don't need the restroom or nothing like that.
Yeah, the bathroom.
See the bathroom that where you before.
Around there? Alright.
Straight up on the blue.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, me reach up. Yeah, me top. Yeah.
Let me show you guys what I want. Say that again?
It gets us in for free.
Oh,
Yes.
praise God.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, and told him that we're his cousins.
Oh, bless him.
Close to 20 US.
20, wow.
Because we don't have ID.
Thanks, girl.
It was a long drive, so that's why I'm gonna say the price was worth it. And I was trying to talk him down to like, I'm in sales, girl.
Thank you so much. Oh, a nice birthday present.
My hair got smaller.
Not really, innit?
I think it
me
is
see.
I need
A pic.
out.
Afro pic? Did you have Afro pic?
Mhm.
Did you take Sade's one? So what, we're just going here?
Fix it on. She ride the wave like mermaid.
Boy, watch my friend. Yeah. Watch that girl. It's giving 90s, honey. That's so random, minute. Nah, I think we better. Hold on. We still have on our shoes.
If you want, you can take it off.
We have to take it off now.
Yeah.
There you go, speak. Tell them what
Hi
you're
guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are at Blue Hole. I'm gonna tell you freak. But no, it's gonna be nice. We're gonna stay in the water. We are so freaking hot.
Yeah.
We are so hot. So it's gonna be nice to get in the water finally. Jackie, you're happy? Show them the face, right? You know what I mean? Yeah, you can stop it whenever you want. Done River? Yeah.
Oh,
YouTube. When I done it, it was good.
It's a video.
On the video?
Yeah.
Welcome to Blue Hole, guys.
Oh, that was really good.
Welcome to Blue Hole, guys.
That's part 2.
Sammy and Shadi took on to make no part 2.
Yes.
Girl, nothing aesthetic about these.
Oh my God. Yo, we're back for the coolest, so we get to go, honestly.
I eat my soup and I'm not feeling well, so this one is for the gas.
What's
This one is the pimento.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, cook all your food with it, man.
Oh, I
Yes.
smell it.
So what is
This one is
that?
the pepper egg.
The pimento, guys.
Oh, I can smell it.
You see one already?
Yes, listen.
It's good for gas and carrots and heartburn.
Wow.
Put together with your chicken and meat patty and stuff. So you put them together now. They're gonna smell meaty. Yeah, smell like the chicken or the burger or do your food with it.
That smells good.
You smell them.
Oh my god!
This is the limestone and salt of it. Good for exfoliation. See the rock, bumps and the paint from the leaves and stuff like that.
Oh, that's good.
Exfoliation. On the sock.
At Blue Hole, we've got Clinton here that looks after us. If you come down here, make sure you get Clinton because he's lit. He was absolutely phenomenal. We had a great time. We were safe, and he was just being great. So big up Clinton.
Yeah, man, blessing.
Yeah.
One go.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, so we're in Sakura Express. It's a Chinese restaurant or takeaway shop. Let me show you what I'm having. Guys, I don't know if you guys remember Chris from last year.
What are we done?
Yeah. So we're going remind me Ian.
Ordain.
Ordain. Yeah, I was gonna say I never got Ian. And Ordain, guys. So we're going racing on Sunday. Mr. Summer Piano.
What on that Malika? That's where we're going.
You just don't know if where's your car?
Sure, where we're going first. That's why.
See you love the ramping in there? Jesus, please. This one have a seat, but I have a seat and a seat belt. Cause last time, it was my life.
Yeah.
What's colorful? What's your name?
I'm not getting a name.
What's your name? Rainbow.
Rainbow?
Yeah, you like it? I have a ring, though. I have a ring. Where's the rest of my friends? Where's Bobby and them?
Bobby there, what?
Yeah?
See him Sunday.
Nice. Hi guys, so touching in from NGA. We gotta send sis home. Should I finish out there say word? I do. I'm gonna miss you, Jamaica. I'll be back. We'll soon go. I'll work for this. Soon come. So give it less than a year. Soon come. Aww. Byron. An hour or an hour? One day,
But I'm taking pictures.
These tags again, the girls take on JA again. This view is mad. Are you in a video picture?
It's a video, but like the lighting is like enhances it a bit compared to like the dark.
Okay. Yeah.
So what I was saying is.
Sunset is so beautiful, guys. This is like my favorite beach ever. Sammy gone out nicely. That's the vlog, so it's like a work day, basically. Work morning, work afternoon, whatever you want to call it. But we're on the way to Starbucks now to just do some work, and then probably just head to the beach afterwards and just chill out. We are tired. It is so hot. It's very, 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 very hot. I just them gone, but them gone for me to leave the house, so it matter. But yeah, just Ochi now, heading into the Margaritaville Island Village. Find the Starbucks. I don't even know if it's in here. I'm gonna see.
H-A-R-A-R-D-A-E. Thank you. What you missing on? Bye. Bye, friend. I don't know when we're gonna see each other next. I don't know, maybe a year's time again, but a year? Hopefully a lot sooner. Hey guys, so I don't know which way to, maybe that way, yeah, but hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is kind of a late start actually, but you guys know how Jamaica time is, so yeah. So today I'm basically going to have a meeting in regards to NGA. So well, basically God, that will go well, and if anything, it will exceed my expectations. But I'm first going to basically, there is a new shopping center that is opening in Ocho Rios. I'll give you guys more details about it soon, but it's very big, basically very lovely. It's designed by Virtuoso, and I'm basically going to go and see the viewing for that. So I'm going to view that and show you guys so you guys can see what it's like. And I'll tell you guys more information about it when I get there. And then after I should have business meeting, then I should be linking up with my producer friend Jay and his friend, and we're going to go to like the river / beach. So nice kind of busy afternoon, evening kind of day, but I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Literally about to run out and go get the taxi now down to the mall. And then yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.
1.5 years now.
Hey,
And
where road was somebody
Where? Inside? Okay. Oh, okay, thank you. Alright guys, we have reached. This is the site. It's really pretty. There is 700 car parking spaces, 24-hour security. And there's like a nice landscaping site as well apparently. So hello, good day. Looks like they're still working on it, which is really cool. So yeah, we're gonna see what it's saying. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I've just finished the meeting, which went very well. We praise God. I'm now literally at the Jerk Center. Anything else? See that? Can you guys see that? Basically, I'm at the Jerk Center in Ochi, just getting some food. I'm waiting for Jay and his friend to come. I don't know which beach they're trying to go to at this time of the night. I don't know why they've come down here so late, but whatever. We'll see what we're going to do. But I am hungry, so I'm literally going to get something at the Jerk Center now. Jerk burger and fries combo, 1950, or jerk chicken and festival, or wings and fries. I don't know which one I want, guys. I feel like I might want a burger. I haven't had a burger in a while, so I think I might get a burger. Right, it's up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get the burger. And then it comes with a drink. That's really good. Is that good enough? That's very good. No, the burger, or I want a festival. I'm excited now. I think I'm gonna go for the burger. Oh no, you're not in it, don't worry. I think I'm gonna go for the burger. Oh, see better. You know, I'm gonna go for the burger, guys. So actually, guys, the guys put the limestone something on my face the other day, and they put it right. You want to see them and smooth it down the air. Some bleach out milk at dive shop, but it's okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for the burger and the fries. It's giving that kind of vibe, something a little different. So see the glow, it's kind of growing. But yeah, and I'll get a red strap here. I think it'll be nice. So I'll show you guys when it's here, and when Jay and his friend are here too. So see you guys in a bit. Bye. Can't manage this now. Cannot manage this. Alright guys. Alright guys, so I've got the strawberry here. I got my food here. I put some jerk sauce and some ketchup on it. So yeah. Catch your vibe. Now just go and find Jay.
Wait a minute. Here's a question. Where is my friend? I'm there. I was like, where is my friend? Hi, Jay.
Oh, let's start the vlogging from early.
Yeah, man. What do you mean? What's poppin'? What's poppin'?
I'm here.
Hello.
Chakra.
Hi. What's your name?
Chakra.
Chakra. Nice to meet you.
Chakra.
Chakra.
No, not chakra.
Oh, Chakran.
Yes.
Chakran.
Chakra.
Okay. Okay.
So it's spelled?
All right. Cool. Nice to meet you.
Anything?
Huh?
You see this traffic?
Yeah. What time you call this?
Yeah.
How long are you gonna be at
Can
the
I
beach
tell
for?
you?
How long are you gonna be at the beach for?
Till nightfall.
Oh, bad. Alright, cool. Alright, guys, we're heading to the beach now. What do you mean? Oh. So guys, there's not much land. Apparently there was a river right here. I don't know about that. I'm gonna see it's grown. Oh my god, look at the horses! Look at the horses!
I was expecting.
Let place dry up.
I left a river right here in 2020.
Not gone.
And in 2023, river gone.
What's a crocodile river? Is this the... No, this isn't gonna be the other one that we saw. No, this is not it.
Yeah. Yes, we're live in the feature in the room. New river.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just
Go then.
sending the test to test the water.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but this is it. Eh? Yeah.
Oi.
No? Not different.
Not hot. Jamaica is nice, guys. Very nice. We're out at the beach, guys, making a fire. You guys can't really see what's going on, but making our fire. One piece of light you have there.
Final light yet?
What? We need
cleaner. Who started fire?
we
She says we need to use this.
we need to use the sticks to start the fire. You come out with the lighter. We come out with the lighter for.
What was lighter?
You come out with the lighter. No, we have to use the sticks and try with the fire.
Where lighter then?
We have the lighter, she said we have to use this.
Oh, we have to use sticks. Blow it. A real survival mode going.
Yeah, man. Proper survival or something. You got a little house light. But on people them glitter.
We have light, still a lighter for it.
Yeah.
Cause when this one light, we turn that off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run the mosquito and sunflower and all stuff. So I say, all this are going on.
We have to use the sticks.
to light the fire.
Rum, you know.
I don't want to see a lighter. Once the fire start, we can show everyone. But we have to make the lights. We have to make lights with the sticks or something, or the stones.
And that's where you go.
No, man, I say it, girl. You can't put a lighter. If we're stuck on it, and if you're stuck on an island, you ain't gonna use a lighter because you ain't got a lighter. So we.
Chances now. You might always have a lighter.
But the lighter mash up. So the lighter mash up. What we're gonna do? Right.
I buy it because of knife though.
Okay. Alright.
So we need a specific type of stone. Granite.
But we're not gonna find that area.
When you strike, you mash it on them and still spark, you know.
Like this?
I mean, some of them in the yard. When you put gas, you mash it up on it, still spark.
Yeah, but how consistent is still you get that spark that
You know.
big for chance.
When you pull stone down, you cause that the spark then you have.
No, that not work. Anymore yet. You know, do it. One do the string and then make a bow.
What? Which one that?
You can make a bow
Good one.
with a string,
And the one.
the stick, and you wrap the something between it instead of rubbing your hand. You use it.
Why?
Boy.
Let us not get lost on the island.
You're cheating. You're cheating. Put away the lighter.
You see if sun did out now, you could have stayed so boom.
With a magnifying glass.
Yeah, and this.
I
Direct the
watch too
sunlight.
much TV, you know? Oh, darling.
And you have to just stay till it, you know, burn. Ooh. After this hot run, yeah, my run go, you know.
We have
My God, it's fire.
We have put newspaper in it.
You have fish?
Blaze it up.
You have fish?
Ooh.
To cook some food. Let's make a little stand.
You can
Go and catch a fish.
Yeah, no.
Go and catch a
We
fish.
have lights, so we have.
We don't have no thread, we don't have no hook.
We have no bait.
Lord. Really? Are you come beach night time without have nothing?
We never come to catch fish.
Yeah.
Granite is usually of a dark color.
Okay.
But that,
Hey, what are you doing down there?
I was trying to rub and rub.
Trying to use the box on my team.
We're gonna rob.
Alright, go on.
If we do like Raj, what when you Raja, the man that comes so.
Raja White.
Raja White.
And he end up on the plus, man.
We know man that summon up the fire.
You must flash it, you know.
Mm-hmm. No, make sure you not catch this, you know. No, sir, this not work, bro.
Yeah,
It's
they're
not-
hungry tonight, so
Watch
good.
it. Watch it.
What about the sticks way? How we put the sticks together?
You don't have dry stick, though. Green sticks, then not going to catch.
Lad, couldn't get lost with you two on the island. That dead frog.
You're not dead from because we have
What I
lighter.
did, man, what I did.
We have lighter, we have cleaner.
The lighter.
Go to the bushes prepared with the light.
Yeah.
Alright, go on, light you something. Light it.
Error.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Catch a newspaper on the road. Easiest thing that to catch, you know. Yeah, waste it fuel.
Imagine the light.
catch a
Imagine if the
newspaper.
light ran out.
If we run out, you're dead from hungry, you know. The next day then.
Brought it. What is that? What is that? No. Mermaid, no. Mermaid. We don't even want to speak them something there.
No, sir.
Look, it's deep over there. No. It's a sign.
A fish.
That was too big for a fish. Oh, what's the fire, guys? We twisted the sticks and we made our little fire.
Yeah.
That looked cute, man. That looked very cute.
That is it.
That's a nice look of fire. Why you drop? We're looking for some more wood. Wait, look for some more wood, guys. That fire gone. We're looking for fire. Guys, a word of advice. If you ever get lost on a stranded island, don't be with these guys, you know?
Allah, you have to survive. Watch it.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Oi,
Fire city.
Bro, we not gonna light a big ass fire with them.
This
bro.
is enough. Watch it. Coal pot. Yeah, I can't let from there. Come in, bro. Can't let from there. Watch that chair.
Shelter.
Watch it.
Bed.
Lawn chair. We're nice.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's all been something new. Smells nice. The cleaner smell good. So the cleaner smell good.
You really just said the cleaner smell good?
Oh yeah, bro, duck and clear.
Ew, that's full of ants here. Set that alight right now. Burn them up.
Burn them out, yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look how much ants in it. Ew. Yeah, it's coming, it's coming. So, yeah, yeah.
It's a piece of green like that, though.
That is it.
Bro, it's a piece of green like that.
You know business, you know? Select there before and there was fire.
We did not use the lighter.
And we did not use a lighter.
We didn't use lights, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, man, just keep that in the thing. Watch your foot, bro. You can't stay much blood and skirt, bro.
Is that safe? And then buy hot here. Whoa. You see them on the pic.
Yeah, people. They're up on a highland. Which island is Goat Island?
No,
Monkey?
no.
Or which one?
Mermaid Island. I just shop. But I can put it out even more.
One way to find out. Fine.
No, you have to like it. It don't work so.
Oh no. Here I come.
Bro, John guy in this. Right?
We get something again?
What, the liquor?
Yeah, I'm see if it actually that flammable. Please don't out it. What?
Oi!
Whoa!
Oi! What? But watch big fire. Alright, go on. But no, why you doing that? Look, they're hungry again now? Hungry.
Yeah, boy.
Oh gosh.
That a stifle fire too, you know.
What?
One will leave ash in it.
I catch man the ash now. Go about it, please.
Well, we tried. So we do our next best thing. We have a plant the flashlight.
What?
We're
So
gonna
we have
what?
a light. We put the flashlight in the ground.
Shit. Big like, wow.
Hold me up there.
In Fantasy side. You pass Fantasy Beach.
Watch our fire, guys. Right there. Yeah, I see it because it's not there. I said, I told him to watch the fire, but because it's not there. Oh gosh. Mash up.
I said one concept.
Yeah.
We should be more than friends. Buy a boat, take up on a weekend. Anything you want, you can press a treatment. Love the style, check me out, yeah, secret, yeah. We should be more than friends. Buy a boat, take up on a weekend. Anything you want, you can. Love the style, check me out. Over tell them, girl, bend away, turn away, sit that way. Push it back and make me dash the paper. Buy a cup from me there, put your safer. Yeah. Show me the dress where you like Louis V, your style. And anything you want, you can. So instead. You want to go to Bob Marley Beach and Wiki Waki Beach. It's like Kingston. Kingston needs some wave breaker.
Check it! Oh. Where's the crab?
Right.
Where?
Yeah, this sir.
Right there?
Yeah.
That look of something in here?
Yep.
Why it's not moving? Rotted! Ah! You're so wicked. Why you watch it. Wait a minute. Quickly. Move him back. You're fighting him. Oh, God. Get washed with it. All them things. Go on. Wrap it up. Doing my aunt's getting her hair done and I'm reading my book. I kind of went up the book. I don't know if something spilled that was the ice melting, but it's fine. It looks like I've been reading, so it's fine. But today it's gonna be quite chill there. We're doing some work this morning, sending off emails, all that kind of stuff, doing some like admin, a little bit, and gonna read now, probably get some breakfast. We have much appetite, anything right now. But probably eat something. And then we've got the church Monday today. So we're nice, we're gonna go to that. It's down at the beach though, they didn't vlog that much, so I don't really do anything. So that was really nice. But yeah, so we're gonna go to church Monday today. And then tomorrow morning, I don't know if I'll try and go to the grocery run today. At least try to activate my account again because I haven't used my card, so it's not activated. So I have to go and stand up. I'm only going to speak that. Hopefully I'll stand up in the line, but at some point I need to do that because my money is on my schedule. So yeah, that's what today's really look like. And then tomorrow we're going back to Kingston in the morning. I need to go to Juicy and get a porridge and stuff. All in my box, but I need to take that next week. And then go to the nuts before the 10 a.m. coach. Yeah. And then go meet my cousin and get like lunch. It's just a cinema, but she's saying that she has to cook food for the next day. So we need to try to go to cinema. But yeah, I want to see how that goes. Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to the vlog. I think it's been a while, I'm not sure, I don't think so, but I am on my way to go to the Scotia. We're going Scotia first or Juicy first? Pardon? It says online it opens at 8 or 8:30.
Where?
The big one. Alright, so we're going to Juicy then. I need to order my patties for next week. though. Only for the day, just to get my stuff and then leave the next morning.
We're flying from Montego. Oh. Got Kingston and fly out.
That was only the first time last year I flew from Kingston. I always flew from Montego Bay. Okay, so what do I do then?
When you come back to Ghana,
They told me I have to order like a week or something in advance. And that's never been the case. But,
a frozen one.
yeah, the frozen one, the box.
No, wait, no, no.
Alright. Thanks, friend. Oh, you're so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go choose new one. But I wanted my porridge. Ain't that one open?
I don't know. We'll see when I go.
One porridge, no one patty, I'm hungry. I ate like once yesterday, guys, because the heat, I just can't move. Like, I just can't do anything. It's too much, isn't it? It was too much. It's gone up about 3 degrees a little bit, and it was already about 40, so now we're at like 43, 45. Anyways, so we're on our way to Scotia now to stand up outside of Scotia, and they need to wrap that up quick. Like by 9:30 I need to be out there. So by the grace of God, it won't be a long thing. All I have to do, guys, is put money in my account to activate it and leave. That is it. That is like a 5-minute job. 5! God, please let me find favor today, because I really don't have the energy, nor that do I have the time. We stand up outside the people's back for how long? So yeah, so I'm on my way to do that, and then I've got my Knutsford coach is at 10:05 to go to Kingston, and then from there I'll just get the Airbnb to an Uber to the Airbnb. So I'm going to be staying at the Airbnb I was at the last time. For those that don't know, like I'm doing. Anyways, I'm staying at the Airbnb. Let me go and chat on this here. I'm staying at the Airbnb, and it's either going to be in the same one, that in the complex that I'm staying in, there's 3 different Airbnbs. There's like a 2-bedroom, a 1-bedroom, and a studio, I believe. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to stay in until I get there. So yeah, but I want to thank the owner of the Airbnb who is sponsoring Next Generation Architecture and this last week of our stay, so that I can get the last things done. So I've got an interview to record tomorrow morning. On Monday I've got another interview. On Tuesday I have to drop off the materials, and on Wednesday is the giving of the materials and the star packs to the students. So yeah, it's really good. So I'm going to be in Kingston for the last week. I might have game tonight with the guys again, so that'll be, well, not again, I might have game tonight with the guys, which will be nice. I should see Stephen again. Stephen's doing the videography for the interviews and stuff, so I'll drop his details down below. Make sure you go and follow Next Generation Architecture on YouTube to look out for the interviews and stuff. It's going to be lit. Like, the competition that's been taking place so far is absolutely amazing. So yeah, I'm just on our way in now. I'll also drop the Airbnb details, but I will leave like a separate, I'll do a separate video to do like an Airbnb tour. So I'll probably end up doing 2. I'm supposed to do another one in Richmond. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that on this trip because of just the time and stuff, but we'll see. You never know. You never know. So yeah, I'll probably stay at Richmond for the last night actually. I might do. Anyways, I will see how it goes. I'll see how it goes. And yeah, and just stay tuned for the video. I don't know how I'm gonna break this video up. I'm just gonna keep it. No, I'm gonna break up. I think I'll keep it for a video. I don't know. Well, we'll see. But yeah, stay tuned. And thanks. If you're not already, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get reach out to 1,000 subscribers. Why not? Why not? I got so much more exciting stuff to do, guys. So yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. Bye. If you know, you know. Every time I find my cake, I'm just so happy. I might look around quick. Guys, every time I find my chocolate mocha cake, I'm so freaking happy, and I just put it with like ice cream. Listen. I'm
buckle of water or something as I look at her. I'm leaving the car. I'm just leaving so much things. What am I doing? Try and come back here, come get my things. Welcome back to the vlog. So I have I have got off in Kingston and I need to go to the bank again. I'll give you guys a story time later, but I'm not even surprised. I'm just hoping that I can get through kind of quick, or should I say quicker here. And then I'm gonna go to the Airbnb, drop off my stuff, get ready, and then go meet my cousin Brie for early dinner, lunch, whatever you want to call it. I'll call it breakfast, lunch and dinner because I never made it to Juicy today because I was standing up in a line that was just pretty pointless. So we are here. I need to clean. So yeah, that's what's happening now. After Brewery, there's a party later that one of my friends have said. I don't know if I'm gonna go yet, I don't know, but after dinner I'm gonna see if Danda wants to go cinema. Actually, I'm gonna see if he wants to go cinema because I really want to go cinema, and then I'll probably go to the party later. So we will see. We will see how that goes. So I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll give you the story time about the bank, which I'm sure a lot or a few of you will understand roughly what I'm about to tell you. Just know it's annoying. That's what I'm gonna say. But yeah, so I will see you guys in a bit. Oh, for dinner I was supposed to be going to 100, and they've got some like seafood thing going on, like Seafood Friday or whatever, and I haven't had lobster since I've come here, so we're going there basically. We are going there. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Guys, if you know, you know, okay? I'm gonna come back here and buy about 6 of these and push them in my case, and I will eat them when I get home. Trust and believe, because what? This is the best thing since last wedding. No? This is the best thing.
Up, yeah.
You shut up. Hey guys, so I have made it back to the Airbnb. I'm so happy, guys. This place actually feels like home, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm so glad to be back. Thank you again. But I'm gonna drop the description down below of this Airbnb, and I'm gonna give like a proper tour, but I'll give you like a brief idea like what's going on. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, nice living area, kitchen. It's just really nice, really homely. It's right in the center of Kingston, literally, and it's like it's easy to get around. Like it's easy to kind of like get around everywhere. Like it's just easy. It's really easy. Boy, I haven't got a story time for you guys on the bank. I'm just the slowness of Jamaica. But it's fine. I'll share that with you guys later. But keep a lookout for the Airbnb tour, guys. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna show you guys what it really looks like and around and like the outside and stuff as well. So stay tuned. Come in. Hi. Thanks. Wait, no, I'll wait for you on the way. You're good. Sure. Pardon?
The call that you're on your way.
Oh.
Thing normally.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine, thank you.
Do you want to put them in the fridge when you want food?
I'll put them in, you can leave them, that's fine. Thanks. Guys, we've got some snacks here. Airbnb hosted actually absolutely brilliant. So we've got banana chips, so I'm probably gonna eat now because I'm hungry. We got some wheat crackers. I don't think I've tried these. Oh, instant ginger. I love ginger tea, so, and I haven't had tea since I've come, so I'll probably have that, to be honest. Water and cranberry. I haven't had cranberry since I've been here as well, so that's lit. Yeah, guys, I'm happy. I am a happy babe. Happy babe. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I'm here with my little babies. Kid 1 and Kid 2. My kids know me raise them. We raise them, girl. Like, well, let me not say location. Me raise them. I keep. So we're just going to eat now, tracks and records. I've never been here before, guys, so we're gonna see how it is. This is so freaking cute. Every time we come back to this night, at least 3 times. Because we don't know what to do. Yeah, it's true. It's true. You left me last year. And when did you leave? You left me again. So let me slides. Alright. Alright guys, so apparently there's this summer menu at Usain Bolt. Check out, what's your look over there for the name of the restaurant? Like an idiot. Like someone I look for the menu. Alright, cool. So there is, we're at the Usain, yeah, you know where we are. So this is a summer menu, August menu, yard style, taste of jamba, blah, 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 blah. This is what they have. And I think I'm gonna go for the curry goat pasta because I haven't had pasta in a while. I really want some. And for starters, I think I'm gonna go for the jerk shrimp thing. But apparently there is a complimentary rum stripe. So Ruby, tell me, rum stripe.
Yeah, I like the light. We've been
Well, and it's something blurry. Well, let me fix it. Okay guys, so apparently there's this mac and cheese crusted oxtail, which is like, I think the new version of oxtail. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna go for the jerk shrimp for sure. So that's my fish intake. And then I'm either gonna get the curry goat pasta or the mac and cheese crusted oxtail. I know, we don't all have to get the same thing. So you can get this. I want this. You can get that one as well. I can't sorry. Yeah, I mean, it's blurry. I don't understand what's going on the plate. That's why I'm an risk girl for the food dry. Yeah. Sure. Me I go with the curry goat pasta. Care about that. Oh, we have to explain the rum stripe. What's the rum stripe? You don't know what the rum stripe is. Little girl.
fried chicken burger. Oh, you know, they see that girl they ordered that.
Why we don't go on the website? Whoa, yeah. Yes, girl. What? What girl? Alright guys, so we have got the buffalo jerk wings and we've got the jerk shrimp and what's this, a plantain?
Yeah, first plantain.
Yeah. And we've got 2 beers from somewhere. We don't really drink the beers, so I don't know where that come from. But whatever.
Let me see. Get by that person.
Guys, so I've got the curry goat pasta. Yeah, nice and juicy and something there. Praise to God to say it tastes good. Watch me being a dry burger. I watched the commiss and our white shrimp. Our white shrimp. No matter. In a colada drink, guys. In a colada drinks. Mana what? Well, guys, Shade strikes again. Shade strikes again. She didn't like it. You go for the biggest piece. No, because she got the biggest piece or something. I had to go and eat that to not come. Give me something. Try the sauce. It's nice. It's nice. Yeah. You see? This type of actor. We tried it. Tell him it's wrong. I think it's wrong. I think it's wrong. Guys, I'm back in the family area and we're talking about the frogs. And my auntie buck up on 2 frogs there in the buckets. If I, you know what I did, What I picture over? I let the frog take me because I know. And people told me there's no more frogs, so here she's lying. He's a liar.
No more frogs.
You want to jump on me? You want to say one time? I don't know, I'm telling you yet. One time I went to one party, so I was in Ochi. I went to one party and took me the road. Guys, the road, my face something wrong cross my foot in that dark. I watch you push me say no. I said no. It's better me shine the light. And I still say nothing there, but there's something still a stuck. Oh god. Auntie one roach did the wrong cross my foot. I was wearing sandals and I feel it and we flash the light and I say, oh my god. But I want to throw the whole of foot. I wanted to throw away the whole of my foot. I said this foot is not worthy anymore because the roach has touched it. Listen, that one can't go on. One scared me out there, but them alright. Them no trouble me and we don't want trouble them. Oh yeah, but never even shoot. Let me see. Watch my friend. Me a movie. No, man, forget the Airbnb. Me a movie. What? Love this for you, girl. Yeah, this nice. What's your girl? What's your nice job? I'll tell us long enough. I'll tell us let me have 5 minutes, make a 5 minutes slot.
You're sick.
I love it. It's so nice. You look so good.
Yeah. You feel comfortable.
That's right.
You feel comfortable.
I love this new girl. Thank you. Hey guys, so just right. Hi guys, so we're at the cinema. I've never been to the cinema in Jamaica, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm kinda gassed. Hold on. Hi guys, so I've never been to the cinema in Jamaica before, so I'm kinda gassed now. Like, I'm not really wearing much clothes, so I pray to God I don't freeze, but I'm excited to sit down over here and it's friend. Yeah.
You are them good. How the top, what you want to achieve in life. This is the movie. You don't know